لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله.
Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel SGM Islam. Viewers, imagine waking up one day and realizing that everything you believed in was not the truth. Imagine leaving behind your family, friends and wealth and reputation just to embrace a faith that the world often misunderstands. As you all know the image of Islam in the Western world, in the Western media. So today we bring you real stories of people who left everything behind just for Islam. What made them take such a big step? What struggles did they face? And what happened when they embraced Islam? These stories will not only shock you, but also make you reflect deeply on faith and purpose in life. Today, I will talk about three inspiring stories, three inspiring people, three inspiring characters who left everything for Islam, just for Islam. And it has happened in the history of Islam even, that are the companion of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. They also left each and everything just for the sake of Allah and just for Islam. So let's move to our first story. And this is the real story of Musa Bangura. Musa Bangura was a highly respected Christian priest. For 45 years, he dedicated his life to spreading Christianity, believing it to be the ultimate truth. But everything changed when he was challenged with a simple question. Have you ever read the Quran with an open heart? Curious, yet skeptical, Musa decided to take up the challenge. The more he read, the more he was drawn to the deep wisdom and logic of Islam. The concept of one God, the clarity of the Quran, and the message of peace left him questioning everything he had ever believed. But the biggest shock came when he read these words: there is no compulsion in religion. This was not the Islam he had been told about. He continued reading, cross-checking with the Bible, and the truth became clearer every day. One night, overwhelmed with emotion, he prayed, oh God, if Islam is truly the right path, guide me to it. If Islam is truly the right path, guide me to it. That night, he had a powerful dream. He saw himself standing before a mosque, welcomed inside by thousands of people. He woke up crying, realizing that Allah had answered his prayer. The very next morning, Musa Bangura embraced Islam. But his journey was not easy. His church dismissed him, his family abandoned him, and he faced life-threatening opposition. But despite losing everything, he stood firm in his new faith. Today, he is an Islamic preacher spreading the message of Islam worldwide. I would like to mention his words that I lost my past, but I gained my future. I lost my church, but I gained my Lord. So, let's move to another story. And this story is of a woman named Sumaya, who is from India. Sumaya was born and raised in a traditional Hindu family. She followed her religion without question until she met a Muslim colleague who introduced her to the concept of monotheism. For the first time in her life, she wondered, could there be only one true God? Could there be only one true God? Curiosity led her to secretly read the Quran. What she found shocked her. Islam was not a religion of oppression, but one of wisdom and justice. The rights of women, the emphasis on kindness, and the clarity of belief fascinated her. Then she read this verse. Indeed, the Muslim men and women, the believing men and women, Allah has prepared for them forgiveness and a great reward. She realized Islam gave women honor, dignity, and spiritual purpose. She started practicing Islam in secret, but soon her family discovered her change. Her father was furious. How dare you leave the gods of your ancestors? He shouted. She was locked in a room, her phone taken away from, and her family planned to forcefully marry her off to prevent her from becoming Muslim. One night, she managed to escape with the help of a friend. She found refuge with a Muslim family who supported her new faith. Today, she proudly wears her hijab and has found peace in Islam. She also said that I lost my home, but I found my peace. I lost my family, but I gained my Lord. Another story is of a man who once debated against religion but later became a strong believer in Islam. And this story is about John. John was an aggressive atheist. He believed science had all the answers and that religion was just a myth created by humans. He spent years debating religious people, mocking their faith and dismissing the idea of God. One day, while researching world religion, he stumbled upon this Quranic verse. Do not the unbelievers see that the heavens and the earth were joined together as one unit? Then we split them apart. He was stunned. The Quran, written 1400 years ago, perfectly described the Big Bang theory. How could an illiterate man in the desert know this without modern technology? His skepticism started to crumble. The more he studied, the more he realized that Islam was not based on blind faith, but on knowledge, logic, and divine wisdom. After months of research, he admitted Islam is not just a religion, it is the truth. He took his shahada in front of thousand people. Today, he is a well-known Islamic scholar, guiding others towards the faith the once he opposed. And he famously said, "Don't let arrogance blind you from the truth. If you truly seek, you will find Allah." These are just a few of the countless stories of people who left everything behind for Islam. They faced hardships, rejections, and sacrifices, but in return, they found something greater than the world. They found Allah. The question is, what about us? We were born as Muslim, yet do we truly value our faith? Are we grateful for this gift, or do we take it for granted? If these stories inspired you, share this video with someone who needs to hear the truth. And please comment below which story touched your heart the most. And subscribe my channel for more interesting videos like this one. Thank you.